this good? Okay. Oh, my name is Amanda, by the way.
Hi, Amanda.
Hey. Okay. Nope. Sounds a little funny. Excuse me, technical difficulties. That sounds better. Let's get lost tonight. You can be my black Kate Moss tonight. Play secretary, I'm the boss tonight. You don't give a what they all say, right? Awesome and Christian Dior. They don't make them like this anymore. I ask cause I'm not sure. Do anybody make real shit anymore? So bow in the presence of greatness. Right now thou hast forsaken this. You should be honored by my lateness. That I would even show up to this place. So go ahead, go nuts, go ape shit. Wearing my pastel and my babe shit. Act like you can't tell who made this new gospel. Let me take it. And that don't kill me. Can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now. Cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now. Cause I can't get much longer. Man, I've been waiting all night now. That's how long I've been on you. Well, I don't know if you got a man or not. If you made plans or not. Got them in your plans or not. And I'm tripping, this drink got me saying a lot. But I know they got put you in front of me. So why the hell did you run on me? There's 1,000 views, there's only one of me. I'm tripping, I'm caught up in the moment, right? It's Louis Vuitton done night. Heard you'll do anything for a Klondike. And we'll do anything that can't lie. And I'd do anything for a Klondike. And she'll do anything for the limelight. And we'll do anything when the time's right. Oh no, that don't kill me. You only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now. Cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now. Cause I can't get much longer. Man, I've been waiting all night now. That's how long I've been on you. You know how long I've been on you. Since Prince was on Apollonia. Since OJ had isotoners. Don't act like I never told you. You know how long I've been on you. Since Prince was on Apollonia. Since OJ had isotoners. Don't act like I never told you.
Great.
Thank you.
You already implemented like a lot of changes just from your lesson 45 minutes ago.
Yes, I'm a beginner. Hello, guys.
How many lessons have you had with me?
2 including today.
2 including
Wow.
2. Yeah, awesome work. And I love, this is such a great example of that yes, you can act in pop singing. That pop singing also needs to be acted. And I thought you did such a great job at that first with the big contrast in your eyes of when you're doing kind of serious like squinty eyes and then you like suddenly kind of pop your eyes open. That's like a really cool effect. And also when you're like, what's the line out? Why did you front me or something? Why did you?
Why the hell did you front on me?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that was like a great acting moment. Why the hell did you front? That looked really real.
Yeah, I say that all the time. For
I
sure.
liked it real. It looked like you meant it when you said it.
I feel it on the inside.
It came out. You felt it on the inside and you expressed it on the outside. Which was cool. And you did the perfect adjustment on the that's how long I've been on ya. I don't know what you were thinking, but this time this was the first time it really seamlessly worked.
I felt it differently. So
Yeah, that totally worked. So do you had talked in your lesson about incorporating more of your body.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to play with that a little bit? So in what ways, I don't know, what did that mean to you when you said that to me?
Well, when I see people perform live, especially when they have like a chart, there's not much you can do, especially not with your legs. So I think as much as you get is a lot of shoulder shrugging, and there's a video of